Connection is inevitable. It's already growing roots beneath the surface.
Ooh, I like that imagery.
Yeah.
To really anchor this feeling, this knowing of belonging, we want to guide you through a visualization. This
Hmm.
is a chance to deeply experience what it feels like to be truly connected, truly supported. We'll lead you gently through it now. Feel free to pause if you want to linger in the feeling.
Okay. So if you can, find a comfortable position wherever you are. Let your hands rest gently in your lap, or maybe place one hand over your heart, whatever feels right. And when you're ready, just allow your eyes to gently close. Let's start with a long, slow breath in through the nose. Really fill your lungs, hold it for just a beat. And then slowly, fully exhale through your mouth. As you breathe out, just feel yourself sinking a little deeper, letting go into the support beneath you. Good. Now begin to picture yourself standing before a doorway, just an ordinary doorway.
Okay.
And know that on the other side of this door is a room. And this room is filled with people who, for you, just feel like home. They might be familiar faces, they might be new ones. Don't worry about the details, just trust the feeling. A feeling of warmth, ease, familiarity. Now slowly, gently, imagine stepping through that doorway into the room. As you enter, you immediately hear maybe a soft hum of voices, gentle laughter. It sounds warm, welcoming. Someone looks up, sees you, and offers a genuine smile, maybe a little wave inviting you closer. Start to walk towards them. And as you move, just notice how your body feels. Perhaps your shoulders relax a bit more, dropping down. Maybe your breath becomes a little easier, smoother. Perhaps you feel a subtle softening right in the center of your chest, in your heart space. Find a place to sit within the circle among these people. Around you, there's just an easy flow. Maybe conversation, maybe shared silence, and people are just being together. Every glance, every shared smile confirms it. You belong here. You are welcome, just as you are. Now bring your awareness gently to your heart space again. Imagine a beautiful, golden, luminous thread extending out from your heart. See it gently reach out and connect to the person next to you, maybe on your left.
Okay.
And another thread extends from your heart to the person on your right. And slowly, more threads begin to reach out, stretching across the room, connecting everyone. Weaving this incredible luminous web of connection, bathing the whole room in a soft golden light. Feel yourself held within that web, supported, safe. There's absolutely no pressure here. No need to perform or be anything other than yourself. Just a deep, quiet sense of belonging. Just being. And silently to yourself, or whisper it aloud if you like, repeat after me. I am woven into a web of support.
I am woven into a web of support.
Take a deep breath into that feeling. Let that truth anchor deep within your body. Feel it settle. You are connected. You are supported. You belong. And when you feel ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back. Back to the room you're in, back to your physical body. Maybe wiggle your fingers and toes. And slowly, gently, whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Carrying that warmth, that feeling of the circle with you into the rest of your day.